What's up, fellow trainers? I'm Trainer James, and you're watching another episode of Pokemon Let's Build Mega Construx. In today's episode, we're building the fighting Pokemon Machop. But before we get into building, be sure and show some love to the Pokemon being built today by hitting that like button. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of our Pokemon Let's Build series. And with that, let's get building. So first up, as always, we have to remove the Pokemon from the packaging. Next up, of course, we have to take this plastic off. We got it, guys. We got it. Let's open it up. Oh man, it's all stuck to the top. It's all stuck to the top of the Pokeball. Ooh. Fell out. Ooh, yeah. Look at all those pieces. Oh, there's Machop's head. There's his face right there. Look at that. He's looking into your soul. Okay. So, as always, let's drop the pieces into these Pokeballs. That way we don't lose them like I've done before. Let's go ahead. Like I said, this is the one with his face in it. So let's open that. Don't want to drop any of this. Look at that. Look at his face again. Look, he has hair. Did you know that he had hair? Because I didn't. Like, these ridges up here, I didn't realize they were supposed to be Machop's hair. I just thought they were, I don't know, like frills or something. The things you learn from Pokemon Construx. Okay. Throw it in the trash. Let's drop all the pieces into this Pokeball. There we go. Okay. So, get that piece of plastic out of here. Let's look at instruction set number 1. Clearly, we're putting together his head. Okay. So let's see, we put the head in here, right? Yes, we did. Look at that. There's his face. Just peeled his face right off. Hannibal Lecter style. Okay. Let's see. There's part of his hair. We need a circular piece, which I believe is this piece right here for the back of his head. We need this piece as well. I assume that's part of the neck that screws into the body. If you look again right there. Right there. Yeah. So, okay. Let's see. How best to do this. So like that? No. Oh god. Oh, I dropped it. Don't worry. My legs caught it. Okay. So if we put his head right here, just like that, so it goes into the back like that, right? And then I assume this piece right here, darn it, I'll just keep dropping it. So would go right down here. Just like that. Okay. Next up is the circular piece. Got it. That's his head. That round piece fits in right in the back. Look at that. Decapitated Machop. Oh, this series is so violent. Okay, step number 2. We need those pieces. So let's find them. Okay, so we got that piece, the I don't know, vehicle looking piece, the rectangular piece, and then let's see, we need a smooth square piece, and then one of those pieces. Let's see. I believe this piece right here, because this says to fit this rectangular piece. Right on top of this like that. Okay, there we go. Got it on like that. And then with the piece with the ball on the end, you see how that piece, the side has a ball on the end, this one doesn't. So we take this piece right here, stick it on the end that doesn't have the ball piece sticking out. Okay. Yeah. Ah, gosh. Ah, there. We got it. Got it, guys. Oh. It's on kind of crooked. Ow. Okay. Oh, man. Well, let's see if we can't fix it, maybe. Straighten it out a little. Oh, no. Oh. Well, I got it straightened out a little bit. Okay. So let's put that on like that. And now it appears step number 3 is us building onto the other side of it. So we'll be flipping it over. Oh, wait. No, crap. Ugh. Okay, gotta take that piece off. We gotta take this piece right here. This piece right here looks like that, right? Looks like that on the other side, on the underside. We gotta stick that actually right there, like that. So there we go. Don't mind this piece, not right now. Okay. So the pieces on this side, actually, we need that piece back out. We need this piece. That piece. I do believe. Or no, wait. Okay, you see how this piece has the lines on it? Yeah, we don't need that piece yet. Okay, we need another square piece with we need that piece right there. Okay, so these are the 4 pieces we need right here for the underside. So next up, so we take this piece. Actually, we'll go ahead and do this middle piece first. Set it on in there like that. Of course, it's a little crooked. Hopefully, all of these pieces will straighten themselves out. Though it doesn't look like they're going to be. Man. Okay. And then we'll set this piece right there. Just like that. Oh. Oh man. Okay. So this right here appears to be Machop's body. So I assume the head will go up here, you have arms here, no legs attached there. That kind of makes sense. For that armless, legless Machop. Okay, next up, it says we're building the legs. So let's get to it. We need 2 of these pieces, 1 for each leg. And then 2 of these pieces, also 1 for each leg. And these pieces right here for his feet. So that's a foot, right? Just like that. Okay, so there are 4 pieces that look like this, like a tooth, but the ones we need for the legs actually have the bigger opening like that. You see how this one has a smaller opening? We're going to save that for later. We need the big opening. That way it'll fit in, fit on, just like that. And then we set these in there like that. to what quicks. So let's make sure this one quicks. Oh, it quicked. Oh no, don't come off. Ah. Okay. Boom. Got it. Mostly. Okay. Next up, Machop's arms. Okay. So. Or those lines, those pieces with the lines in them. Yeah, those are part of his hands. So you should have 2 of those. So let's get those out. And then these other tooth pieces, let's get them out. Don't roll away from me. Oh man, they almost rolled off. And then these other 2 pieces with the balls on the end, we need those as well. So let's take one hand, fit this small piece into the hand. Got it. And then fit this in like that. That way it should look just like that. Boom. His arms. Oh. And then let's see. That's his tail. Okay. So let's stick the tail on there. Now let's start attaching the other pieces of his body. He looks kind of funny. I guess that's Machop. He looks. Oh no, his tail came off. I fixed him. Got him. There he is. Good old Machop. And his head of beautiful blonde hair. Apparently. So let's put this Pokeball back together. And say hello to John Cena, the Machop. Yeah. Remember guys, if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Pokemon Let's Build Mega Construct content. And I hope you guys have a great day. And until next time.